Good morning everybody. This is Rington. Na leo a very senior government official has called me na kaniuliza for permission to own rights to my song Zoea Kupigwa Mawe. I don't know what they want to use the song in doing, but they have told me they are offering me 5 million shillings for them to have the rights to use my song, but they've told me I can continue performing the song, but they want to use my song. Sijajua what they want to use the song in doing. 5 million shillings. Who refuses 5 million shillings in this time of corona? But I've decided to ask you guys, please advise me. What should I do? Take the 5 million, or should I just refuse? Guys, help me. Please make me make the right choice. Mbarikiwe sana.